Hey, Natural Resources, welcome to our video module on forest measurement. So we're going to do some practice and some activities with that to figure out how big and how much trees are worth. Okay, so a couple of learning targets for us. We'll be able to demonstrate correct use of formulas and measurements to analyze a tree's health and worth, and we'll be able to use a measuring tape or a Biltmore stick to calculate dBH and board feet, and we'll talk about what those mean a little bit later. So first, you probably should know what a board foot is. Board foot is a unit of measurement represented by a piece of wood 1 square foot and 1 inch thick. So that's 1 foot by 1 foot by 1 inch. In surfaced or finished lumber, width and thickness are based on measurements before surfacing or other finishing. So the diagram over to the right kind of shows 1 foot by 1 foot, 1 inch thick. That's a board foot. Board feet of a piece of lumber can be calculated by length times width times thickness divided by 12. In this formula, the length is measured in feet, while the width and thickness are measured in inches. So let's do some example problems. If that is our formula, board feet equals length times width times thickness divided by 12, determine the board foot of a board that is 12 feet long, 6 inches wide, and 1 inch thick. Okay, so we would take 12 times 6 times 1 divided by 12. That gives us 72 divided by 12. Board feet equals 6. Now I want you to try the second one on your own. Determine board feet in a board that is 14 feet long, 14 inches wide, and 2 inches thick. So hit pause and work through this on your own. Okay, so let's reveal the answer to this one. Our first step is setting it up. 14 times 14 times 2 divided by 12. That gives us 392 divided by 12. Our final answer then is 32.66 board feet. So this is a simple tutorial on how to calculate board feet. Next video, we're going to talk about how to measure the volume of a tree.